Yo, were people really going crazy for the Max Speed t-shirt? I don't understand. They were literally fighting outside Supreme store. Like, what's up with people? Either they are fans or either they were resellers trying to get all these t-shirts to sell. I just don't understand. But your boy got his hands on 2 of his tees just by sitting at home. Anyways, what's really good, family? It's your boy Bless Kicks. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, alright? Anyways, let's open these up. Yo, I'm telling you, the purple wave and the black t-shirt, they were mad easy to get. Like, I just got them, you know? Like, in probably 20 seconds, they were already checked out. Alright, let's open these up. This is the purple one. I like to, this is an XL because when I wash them, they shrink. Like the one I'm wearing right now, this is an XL too, but look how short they got, right? So this is it. Max B, if you guys don't know Max B, he's from Harlem, and right now he's doing time. He'll be out in November from what I heard, but you know, shout out to Max B. In the front we have him holding money, and it says she loves me not.
She loves me, she loves me not. She loves me, she loves me not. She loves me.
From one of his songs, I guess. And then it says in the Max B for Supreme, the babiest of all the time, 2025. I don't know what the hell it says in that. Anyways, this is a purple t-shirt. This is an extra large. I like to wear my t-shirts loose, but as I said, when I wash them, pretty much the t-shirts, they just shrink. And this is the black one. Let's open this up as well. There's a black color, also extra large. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, so I don't know, like Supreme been coming out with some nice t-shirts, and they've been coming out with some nice accessories. Usually I get their accessories and all that because you know, I like them, but guys, I got something crazy to unbox for you guys. Yeah, let's open this up and show you guys what's in the box. Okay. Alright. Get this out of the way. Alright. SpyraThree, the Supreme Water Blaster. There you guys have it. This thing is heavy. When I say heavy, this thing is mad heavy. Comes with a sticker, a Max B sticker. Comes with 2 extra Supreme stickers. Okay, let's get this box out of the way. Alright, there we have it, guys. The Water Blaster. Man, I heard a lot of good things about this, and this was around 200 plus. And I can't wait to use this because I heard really good things about this. Let's get this bad boy out.
A few moments later.
Okay. Alright. Boom, guys. Oh my bad. There we have it. So it's a USB-C powered, so I'm guessing you could charge these. Supreme did come up with the Supra 2. I don't know if I'm not pronouncing it right. Spyra, whatever. But they did come out with the 2nd edition, like probably like 2 years back, and this is the 3rd edition. I guess they did more things. Ooh, this thing is, guys, this thing is heavy, really heavy. Comes with the Type-C USB. Of course, comes with a manual and the cleaning tool. So I guess to clean it up. So let's put the box out of the way. Okay, this is the box. So this is it. Looks really nice. Got a nice little display over here. Has 3 modes. So opens Purge, and Leak. So I guess this one, the Leak, is the strongest one. So what you do is you put this inside the water. I guess you hold on to this, and then it'll display over here how much water you got inside, and then it's ready to go. I would like to take this outside and show you guys how it's done. So how about let's go outside and check and see the power on this. Alright? Okay. But before that, just trying to give you a better look on this. Very beautiful. Very heavy. This thing is extremely heavy. I wonder what the pressure is, because I would not give this to my kid, to be honest, because maybe the pressure is so much she could hurt herself, she could hurt some other kid, but I'll judge when I test this. So let's go out and test this and see how it is, and then go from there, right? Alright, so follow me. Alright guys, I'm back. So I filled the sink up with water so we can get some water inside the gun. So you gotta hold up, you gotta press it just one time and it'll turn on. So it'll tell you the water level and the energy level. And then you guys already know the game modes over here. So let's put the water inside. I guess you gotta do it that way. The water is going in. As you guys can see, the numbers are increasing. Increasing. We are up to 100, so it's a little bit more heavier. And let's go outside and test this baby, alright? My wife found out what I just did. Got these water bottles. Put some over here. And let's test the gun, water gun, just to be exact. So let's go with the highest pressure, which is the Leak. Okay, I'm not really good at shooting, but let's see. Yo, did you see that? I'm definitely not giving this to my kid. This thing is dangerous. If my daughter, first of all, she won't even try to like hold this because it's like so heavy. But if she shoots somebody with this, like another kid, I'll be in a lot of trouble. So let's just not tell my wife either, okay? About this. I was trying to sneak it in and it didn't really work. So, but she doesn't really know what's in the box till she's gonna watch this video. So cool, right? All right, so let's take the bottles back and we'll check the other mode, which is the burst mode, and let's see how it is. Okay, let's try it the second time. I gotta go outside and get the bottles in, so just give me a few seconds. I'm back, so let's change the mode to the mid mode, and I'm not that bad at shooting. Ready? Oh, double! Did you guys see that? Yo, that was mad cool. Yo, this thing is so nice. So, okay, so as I said, I'm not too familiar with this. So the first shot that I did before this one was the strongest, and this one is the double one. So you go like this, and it'll just keep shooting. What? This thing is cool. Yo, I'm already loving this, but I feel like I was at 100. The water level was at 100 and it's already at 42. So if I'm like playing with this gadget, I really gotta have like a bucket of water next to me, because I feel like it's running out really fast. And okay, let's do another mode, which is open mode. I'm not gonna have any bottles over there. I'm just gonna shoot up in the air and see what that's about. This is just a single shot, and he's really going pretty far, around like probably 12 feet, at least 12 feet up. Let me see this one. This is like the double shots, and this is just one, but the strongest. All right, so guys, there you have it, the 3rd edition. This thing is really cool. SpyraThree water blaster, and it's even lighting up a little bit over here. But the only thing is like really heavy. But for the summertime, this is gonna be amazing. Alright, was that fun or what? Alright, so now I'm back. SpyraThree, here we have this to give you the final look. Comes with 3 modes, open with single mode. The rest was like multiple modes, and League was the strongest one. Comes with a display and lets you know the energy level and the water supply, how much water supply that we have in here. I didn't charge this water gun yet, but it was at 3 bars. So just for doing that little activity, it's already at 1 bar. So I really gotta test the battery life on this to see how's the battery life. But the water, it runs out real quick, to be honest. It is, as I said before many times, it is heavy, but it looks like a lot of fun. So you'll find out during summertime. If you guys want to have a lot of fun, have like a bucket of water next to you, and every time to do refill, and then shoot at people. But overall, this is it. Alright, thank you guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.